Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the account details and device readiness so you don't waste time later. First, check your account recovery email or phone and update them if needed. Next, verify that the device OS and browser support FIDO2/WebAuthn. If not, make a plan to update. Finally, make sure your biometric sensor or hardware key is functional and charged. Once done, proceed to remove stale keys so you can register a fresh passkey immediately. You now remove outdated credentials to avoid conflicts when registering a new passkey. Sign into the account, open security, then passkeys or authentication, and revoke every old or unknown entry. If you see paired devices you don't recognize, remove them. Next, clear the browser's cached credentials and saved authenticators, then restart your device so no lingering tokens interfere. Once you've cleaned the environment, you're ready to create a fresh, single passkey for the account. You'll generate a new passkey now and verify it works across your devices. Go to Security, choose Add Passkey, follow the on-screen prompts to use biometrics or a hardware key, then name the device. After creation, sign out and sign back in on the same device to confirm, then test on a second device to ensure synchronization. If the registration or sign-in fails, try an updated browser, a different USB or NFC reader, or use account fallback codes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.